Pacific, near the equator, the Philippine Islands is gifted with a tropical climate. Rich in natural resources, the area is very much fit in an agricultural setting. It is factual enough that agriculture plays a vital role in our society, and so I decided to tackle something about it. The fertile Philippine soil produces plenty of agricultural crops. Rice, corn, fruits, and vegetables are some examples. Among these bountiful gifts, I have chosen the coconut as the subject of my discussion. Magnificent as it is, the coconut has gained international popularity because of its various uses. But before I discuss deeper into the various benefits that we can get out of the coconut, I would first give a brief background about this wonderful gift of nature. The English name coconut comes from the Spanish and Portuguese word coco, which means monkey face. Why monkey face? It is because the Spanish and Portuguese explorers found the resemblance to a monkey's face in the three round markings or eyes found at the base of the coconut. The coconuts are fruits of the coconut palm, botanically known as Cocos nucifera, with nucifera meaning not bearing. These fruit-bearing palms are native to Malaysia, Polynesia, Southern Asia, and of course the Philippines. In Sanskrit, the coconut palm is known as kalpavriksha, which means the tree which gives all that is necessary for living. And it is certainly true. Nearly all parts of the tree can be used in many ways. We can produce a lot of things out of it, from its branches to its fruit and trunk. The coconut itself has many good uses, including milk, meat, and oil. The coconut water is used in making vinegar. The coconut husks are made into brushes, mats, and ropes, while the coconut midribs are made into brooms and baskets. And the coconut trunk itself is used in building houses and cottages. These instances alone can manifest how magnificent the coconut is. However, there is one particular coconut product which had gained international popularity. It is no other than the virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is a tropical oil with many applications. There are many types of coconut oil, depending on the manner it was produced, such as the refined coconut oil, the unrefined coconut oil, and the hydrogenated coconut oil. The virgin coconut oil is classified as an unrefined coconut oil, and since it is popular in our market today, I will focus much to it and the different benefits it offers to the whole humanity. Unrefined coconut oil is a coconut oil derived from fresh coconuts, not copra, and has not undergone the RPT or the refined deodorized process, which the refined coconut from copra goes through. Thus, it retains its pleasant coconut taste and smell. Virgin coconut oil is now getting international fame and reputation as the world's healthiest oil. And it is very amazing how many companies here in our country and small entrepreneurs are eager to manufacture products containing virgin coconut oil. From medicine to soap such as Biolink with VTO, shampoo like Palmolive Naturals with VTO, and even chocolates. Luckily, these products have clicked to the taste of Filipino consumers and even to the international community as well. But what really is in the VCO that makes it helpful? Virgin coconut oil, for the information of everybody, is rich in lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid and is considered responsible for its health benefits. It consists of 50% lauric acid, which the other only abundant source is the human breast. When taken internally, lauric acid turns into a compound known as monolaurine that is believed to fight viral pathogens and protect the body from bacteria, viruses, and infections. Virgin coconut oil helps boost the immune system. It also lessens the burden of patients with thyroid and blood sugar level problems. It helps maintain thyroid function and regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Because of its antimicrobial and antiviral properties, it is now being used in treating AIDS patients, preventing the spread of virus into the afflicted person. It is also best for hair and scalp care. To those people with hair problems and have the deepest desire to have shiny hair, virgin coconut oil is the best solution. Another incredible benefit from virgin coconut oil is that even though it contains fatty acid, it promotes weight loss. Yes, you heard me right, weight loss. The reason is again because of lauric acid. These acids are sent directly to the liver where they are immediately converted into energy like carbohydrates and do not circulate in the bloodstream like other fats. So the body uses the fat in the coconut oil to produce energy rather than be stored as body fat. To those people, especially women, who want to lose weight, try the virgin coconut oil as a solution to your problem. See, there are lots and lots of benefits that global competition and for the betterment of our country as a whole. Why search the whole world for some favor? In fact, we have the things that could make us rich and bountiful. It is once said, if you don't have the things you love, then try to love the things you have. It is not about what we have, but how we make use of the things we have. Remember, progress and prosperity is just a matter of attitude. That's all. Good morning.